Hello and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RV. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2016 Wolfpack 24PACK14 toy hauler. We'll take a look outside and then we'll go in and take a look there. Up front we've got an electric tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, fiberglass front, aluminum powder-coated diamond plate shield and keep your dinging rocks. On this side we've got a large either storage compartment or a place for a generator. Cable connections here, outside shower, there's your sewer drain, your connection for shore power there. We've got city water, fresh water, and a black tank flush here. It's got nice aluminum alloy wheels. Out back we've got a large door prepped for a backup camera. Back here we've got a fuel cell, pump station, got an automatic awning with LED lights underneath, outside speakers, TV bracket, friction hinge entry door, large storage compartment here in the back in the front, and a plug for a solar panel that you can add. Up here we've got a LED scare light, and we'll go inside and take a look there. Up front, queen bed, lots of cabinets, two closets, got a place for a TV to mount here, LED lighting throughout, place for your TV here, radio with built-in DVD player. In the bathroom we've got a nice sized medicine cabinet, skylight, 12-inch fantastic fan, vinyl floor on top of 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood. Big cabinets on this side, nice large window, solid wood table that you can use between your couches. Got a drop down bunk with the screen door that goes over the door there in the back. Bus style battery disconnect, nice size automatic refrigerator. You've got a stove top with 3 burners and a convection microwave below. Nice size single basin sink. Nice shepherd hook faucet. Good sized cabinets. Again, this is a brand new 2016 Wolfpack 24PACK14, and I thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RV.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.